Hello, this is Kara from North Vision, and I'd like to unbox a VisionShare. I'm looking at two units today, and one of them is the A40, and it supports 4K. The second one supports 1080p, that's the A20. So I'd like to go ahead and let's take a look. Let's unbox and see what we find. Okay, so in the top layer, we have what looks like a base station. Let's take that out. Here's the base station, and there's a power button. There's several connectors on the back, USB if you want to use a touch display, or a mouse, or upload any images. You've got network connection, you've got power, you have audio out. Another very important feature are these two HDMI output. That means you can support dual displays. So there's the base station. Now also on here we have the two players. And a player has HDMI cable. It has a connector for charging that fits in there, and also an extra detail of some rubber finish so that it stays on the table without moving around too much on you. Additionally, there is an extra power. Now these are designed to be used 3 or 4 hours, but if your meetings go beyond that and you don't have a chance to recharge, you can use USB power from your PC and continue on with your meetings. So there's one player. You can use the notches to kind of take that out. And here is the second player. Now, going on to the second layer, we've got the power station. The power station is used for charging the players. It has you can see the connectors to where these will match when you put them in there. Some extra storage for some of the accessories. It has power and also an adapter for the Kensington lock if you would like to do that. That is the second layer. The third layer, find a quick start guide. Those are always handy. It has instructions, on what's included in here, and also how to connect up. You can see the display, you can see all of the connections and things that you can do with this, even how to use for 2 presenters, which is something the system enables. So there's your maybe quick start guide. Now the bottom layer is cables and accessories. It may be difficult to see through the plastic, but I've got a US power adapter. So this is an adapter to go from to the HDMI. If your laptop doesn't support HDMI directly, you can go from the mini. This is a European adapter, and notice that you have 2 of the US adapters and 2 of the European, and that's because you have 2 units that need this adapter. In the next box here, you also find the adapters. In the last are your cables. You've got there is also a network cable, there's HDMI, and then this is the optional power that I had mentioned if your meeting ran beyond 3 or 4 hours, that you would want to use this in order to power these. And so that is what we have today. And thank you. If you need more information, visit the website at www.northvision.com.